actually just me, actually. Not Mario. Can I please have spaghetti? But spaghetti! Here, I know where you can get spaghetti. Come record this. I know where you can get spaghetti. Wait. I can't. Come over. I can't. In here! Oh, yay! Oh, it got blurry. What the heck? No spaghetti in there! There you go. Oh yeah, I'm gonna beat you up. It actually can go to 43. Presume, not 45. Look who just went. Ding, 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 ding. Money! Get up! Mario, you are so annoying. Look what I found. A pair of unprotected money. Get away from me! Now, if you hand him over here and make him say silly stuff, I'll throw him towards that direction because the camcorder's aiming over there. And he'll see all the action.